Alrighty, get that going and get this going too. All right, everyone. Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the severe weather's coverage. We want to just now I'm just getting coming out live right now. Well, right now we're getting ready to talk about the severe weather. Get ready to dive into the severe weather's coverage at this moment. So we're just getting started right now. So right now we got some storms across from Oklahoma and parts of Texas. So we want to start out with this storm right here. This is now we got some. These are now 3 or 4 considered thunderstorms warnings. So winds up to 70 miles per hour. That'll be expiring 18 minutes. We also got this one that is a severe thunderstorm warning. These are also considerable. So far, it's not been yet a tornado right here. Not tornadoes. This one is just been an issue. It will be expiring 1 hour. We have one severe thunderstorm warning over there. So we also got these severe thunderstorm warning as well that are in it. There are not produce a tornado that will be expiring. All this will be expiring 2 minutes, and these will be expiring 30 minutes from now. So that's really good news. But this is a tornado watch as of right now. So that will be expiring in the next 5 hours. So we're looking at midnight. That will be expiring at this time. So we also got this. So we got a potential heavy rainfall that could be heading our way. But so far that is really good. So this is what's going on right now with the. I'll get that to in a second. So this is the moderate threat of enhanced risk and slight risk and then marginal. So we're in the slight risk, and then when we get to Tuesday, no, excuse me, Thursday, that day could be Illinois will be in parts of we'll have okay. Hang on, we got break off the. So right now they got some new tornado watches now being expanded. So as of this time, so okay, so nothing big. I'm gonna get back to the severe weather outlook. So we also got that this storm parts of Iowa and Wisconsin will also have a chance of severe weather. And then when we get to Friday, we'll have another round of severe weather. So we're looking at again Friday. So this is Friday severe weather. So we're also going to be in a slight risk of severe weather at the time. So we'll have a little bit of a break, but right now we're focusing on this one. So we have a enhanced risk of severe weather for parts of West Oklahoma. We're in the slight risk. So let's get to let's look at the hail. So we have a lot of hail. The one with the dots, the dots is really pretty serious. And when we get to wind, we're going to have some very severe wind damage. And then tornadoes, well, we can be in a chance of a tornado, possibly maybe EF2 tornado. So, but right now we're just focused on what's going on right here. That's just a special weather statement. So right now we still have that we still have this considerable these 3 considerable thunderstorm warnings. This is real, like I said, this is really serious at this time. So please be mindful if you have any families or friends that live there, the people that know, please take this severe thunderstorm warning very serious because this is a level 2 threat. Because this is a considerable. That means people likely, you know, be can be hurt, injured. It's not just about severe thunderstorm. And it tells you right here, hail damage to vehicles affected, very considerable tree damage, wind damage. It's also likely to homes, mobile homes, and roof and outside buildings. And for your protection, just getting inside, and so. I'm not sure when it will impact the severe weather in the parts of Green Country are also in effect. So right now I'm just going to be monitoring this. But right now there are no tornado warnings at this moment, so that's really, really good news. Right there. So I want to show you what it looks like right now. So it's 77 degrees, and the barometer pressure is falling, and the humidity is still rising. So there's a probability, a chance of having bad weather. I'm praying and hoping that it's not a tornado at this moment. So fingers crossed on that. So, but that's what it looks like right now on my weather station as of right now. This thunderstorm warning that is considerable will be expiring in the next 12 minutes from now. So that's really good news. Now, I mean, if it downgrades to yellow to regular severe thunderstorm warning, it will be, that means it's weakening at this moment, at this time. So I'm gonna look at the velocity on this one. And I'll play a little bit of the what that storm is doing. So I'm gonna play a little bit of it, see what the see. That's a little bit of rotation right here, as you can see. They will be impacting at 10 o'clock. That's 10 o'clock will be the threat of what the occurrence will be. So we also have a severe weather statement. Gusty winds can it's for like there's a storms could be heading to parts of Osage County in Washington County at this moment. So, but right now there are no tornado warnings at this moment. So that's really, 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 really extremely good news at this moment. So that's really good, really, 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 really good at this time. So. Alrighty, so we got a tornado watch has now been issued for Tulsa County. You ready here to call? All right, so we're now under a tornado watch at this moment. So till midnight. So we are now into severe weather coverage at this moment. So I'm gonna pause for a moment. I'm gonna we'll get ready. I'm ready to show you. Get ready to see it at this moment. So there we go. So we had this is our tornado watch that has been issued. We are. I don't know if Muskogee County and Wagner County are included of it. I'm not sure, but we are tracking. We also have a new severe thunderstorm warning that is been an issue that has just been issued. So that considerable severe thunderstorm warning will be expired 4 minutes. So this storm has been weakening some. So that's really good news. So but this storm can still cycle. So that could be recycled as a considerable severe thunderstorm warning at this moment. So again, let me go back and show you what my this is my weather station was doing. So right now it is 77 degrees. The wind's still at 1.8 miles. And so far we were going 21 days of no rain. So that likely will be changing changing. So we're 3 weeks of not having any rain, but we did have some lightning strike that just happened 8 hours ago. So that was 19 miles out. So, but the barometer pressure is still falling. It was 29.7. So now it's now, excuse me, it was 29.83 earlier. So that has gone down a much further than we anticipated. So there is still active wind, which that's really good news. So there's the wind picked up a little bit, so it's now up to 3. So look, I want to go to see what this. Go to the map and show you what this map looks like right now. What do I? Okay, right here. So this is what it looks like. This is from all the people who had this ambient weather station. So this is like a lot of people do have it in a Tulsa area. And then when you go to where the severe thunderstorms are, so look all that. Look at the difference between these temperatures because of these storms. Because you can see it's really just see this one has a lot of rain. A lot of people have a lot of rain at this moment. So that's this weather station is really I love my weather station. This is all the other people who have that weather station. I can go and change it to temps, and there should be a precipitate. The wind. See, I can go look at the wind, what the wind looks like. See, this is all the wind that is going on around here, and then you got the radar. So and that's all the. See, it shows you like this is all the rain that has been recorded that's going on right now as of this time. So it's really, really, really convenient. See, look, all these other people who have a lot of rainfall. If I can just go down here and it just tells you how many rainfalls they've been getting right now. So this is see, this is for my weather station. My weather station will have the same thing too. So I can just go to my weather station. So to show you what my weather station looks like. So this is what my see it has my logo. So that's like all the other people who have their weather station. So at this time, so I'm gonna go back to this screen, this image right here, and show you what is doing at this time. So so that is just so again right now. Going back to the severe weather coverage, we do have that tornado watch that has been issued parts of Greene County, including Tulsa County, and Creek County, and Rogers County, and Washington County, and Osage County. And we also have these storms just moving across so far. The good news is none of these storms are producing a tornado, but that could change. Which when there's a storm that's producing a tornado, that's very high likely seeing a tornado at this time. At this time, so really. So this is now just been upgraded to severe thunder, the severe thunderstorm warning. So at this time, so. And that's only in Texas. So far in Texas, they don't have any bad weather. This is a severe thunderstorm watch, which that could, just because they're under a severe thunderstorm watch doesn't mean that they're safe from having a tornado. I've seen tornadoes can have a tornado regarding under a severe thunderstorm watch. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. So we've been upgraded to a slight risk, severe thunderstorm, slight risk. Excessive rainfall is very likely, and a slight risk of severe thunderstorm for severe weather. So there could be, a tornado that could be developing pretty soon. So, but I just would not want to think that. So we have one, actually two considerable destructive severe thunderstorm warning. Parts of Caddo Cluster, Blaine, Washington County, and there people are in. If you're in Weatherford and Porn Colony, Hydro, Dead Woman Crossing, that's an interesting name for a city. Waring, Oklahoma, you need to be in your safe spots or your shelters. 9 public schools are included. 1 college university is included. Supplemental colleges is also included, and 1 private school. Energy, natural gas plant is included, and then fuel stations are included. And 6 nursing homes are included. So please take this warning very, very seriously. Well, I'm all right. Well, I'm gonna catch a break, and I will leave this radar image up, and I'll catch you back here in a moment.
I don't think you would want to be in your lawn chair for that.
All right, we got a tornado warning that has been issued for the following counties: Tillman County, Western Oklahoma, and Wichita, Wellboro County, Texas. So if you're in that area, you need to be in your safe spot as of this time. So we have a brand new, a first tornado warning that has been issued tonight. So this is for that county. So if you're in that area, you need to be in your safe spots right now. So let me pull out the storm's rotation. So there's that rotation right there that is producing a tornado. I'll go ahead and play that right now. So let me play that right now. So let's get that radar image going. So there's that tornado warning. So just be able to see that rotation. So that's not a confirmed tornado warning yet, but let me go back to that one with that severe thunderstorm warning that had just been that was issued. That was a tornado. So let me go blow that image up. So see if what's that talking about. So look, let's see if I can find it. So there's that tornado warning that is possible. So let me pull out that. See if there's a little bit of that's a little bit of rotation right there where that tornado is that could be heading heading our way. So that's see a little bit of that rotation right there. These two are a little bit of rotation that could be producing a tornado at this moment. That's for these falling areas. So if you're in Wyandotte, Gray, Myers, Blackburn, you need to be aware and prepare for that possible of a tornado. So we have this tornado warning that is going on right now that is producing a tornado. So if you're in that area, if you're in these areas, if you're in Granville, Hollister, and Lovely, you need to be in your safe spots right now. So 654 people, one public schools is affected, a couple emergency services, and not water supply. So there's like a dam nearby that is also impacted of it. So if you're in these areas, if you're at Hollister, at Loveland, and Granville, you need to get in your get ready to get in your safe spot right now. So far there is no confirmed tornado warning at this moment. So yeah, just please be aware. So let me turn on that. Let me go back to that storm velocity. Still see that a little bit of that rotation right there. So so there is a little bit of a rotation at this moment. So let's just so for right now it's not a confirmed tornado warning at this moment. So we still want to go back to here where that tornado warning that's possible that is in Oklahoma and in parts of Green Country right here that in Pawhuska. Why know if that it could be either heading towards parts of Osage County could be under a tornado warning, or it could be heading towards Barnesville or Dewey. It could either head or Copan too. So far that is still a severe thunderstorm warning, not a considerable, but as of this time. So we want to go back and look at this considerable thunderstorm that would be expiring in 12 minutes. We also had this one that will be expiring in 42 minutes at this time. So again, we still have that tornado warning that has been issued that will be expiring 40 minutes from now. We're looking at that at 8:45 till that tornado warning that will be expired at this moment. So as of right now, so we just need. So I want to go do a little bit of a storm track. So let me pull out the storm track and do some a little of that measurement. So if it got about this is moving 25 miles per hour, so you get about 46 minutes. So that 46 minutes could be expiring right now. So that's got about 46 minutes. That storm's moving 25 miles per hour, and it looks at 46 minutes. So that will be expiring at this time. So right now it's still showing radar indicated. So it just updated it to updated its speed to its speed. So we also have another tornado warning that has just been issued. And this time it's in Texas. So this is in this goes for Haskell County, Texas. So Texas also has a Haskell is the number one in Texas. So we had two tornado warnings that has been issued. You know, at least 548 people are affected. 339 people are infected. This includes Rochester, O'Brien, Jeddah, Texas. So if you're in those areas, you need to be in your safe spot right now. So please get into getting your shelters at this time. So we do have two tornado warnings. We also have this one, this tornado warning. You know, 654 people are infected. Because Hollister, Loveland, Taylor, Corner, Jen, and Elliott, Texas. So also Elliott, Texas is also in it right now. So please get in your safe spot. Get in your shelters, your tornado precautions at this time. So, and we're still looking at that. So really good news is there's the good news and bad news. The good news is there's no confirmed tornado warning. The bad news is we have some very destructive, considerable threats. A severe thunderstorm warning that is also up with a tornado warning. So we have three. So we have like also that in place. Also, we're still tracking that tornado warning. That's not tornado warning. Severe thunderstorm warning. That possible that could be produce a tornado at this time. So that's only for Osage County. So we don't know if that's going to be a tornado warning or not. So we had this severe thunderstorm warning be expiring in 22 minutes. We had 12 severe thunderstorm warnings are in play. So that's mostly in Texas at this time. So okay, I got alert that I am now been getting some lightning that has been lightning's been going off at this time. So we have some lightning going on right now. So, and that could be either be part of this. So because my lightning detector can detect 25 miles out. So I'm right about here. Yes. So I'm right about here. This could get this storm could. So my lightning detector can detect 25 miles out. I'll play again. Sorry. Let me zoom that up. Sorry, guys. Yeah, as I expected. So that, yeah, I am getting some lightning because of this. Because I'm tracking the lightning that's going off right now as of this time. So we have another tornado warning that has now been issued. So we got three tornado warnings now been issued. It's going and then this tornado warning will likely be dropped or canceled at this time. So I'm getting alert that I'm getting bad weather coming right now. So, and this tornado warning will also expire. So that 1,000 people will be affected. 669 people or homes will be affected. This includes Knox City, Texas, Union Grove, and Sunset, Texas. One public schools and one child centers and energy fueling station will also be affected, and all these emergency service. So if you're in those areas, if you're in the following counties, is for Knox County and in Texas. Excuse me, I don't know why I'm saying Tennessee because there's Tennessee, not Knox. So, and 3 cities will also be in effect. A very small area that 669 people's home will be affected. So yeah, I am. Like I said, I am getting storms. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this. See what it's doing. So yeah. So again, there's the storms. So I'm getting some rain. All that's moving is getting ready to move, and it's moving into Oklahoma City as well. So we have Oklahoma City is now starting getting rain, but not severe thunderstorms at this time. So good news is again we still have that tornado warning that's going on that will be expiring almost 34 minutes from now. So that's really good news at this time. So there's no confirmed tornado warnings, and then we also had this severe thunderstorm warning. We also still tracking this one right here. The main thing is we need to watch this storm right here mainly because I mainly could be possibly produce a tornado at this time. I want to go back and look at that velocity and play that right now and see what it's doing. See if I'm checking for some rotations. There's a little bit there's a little bit of that signature where that tornado could be possibly which that could possibly could be developed, where that could be a tornado warning at the time. So we still have a lot left to go on the tornado watch, and we have about 33 minutes so that tornado warning will be expired. We'll also have this tornado warning that will be expire. I want to see what this radar image looks like for this storm. So not much on. There's a little bit of that rotation at this time. So still have not a lot going on right now. So we on that storm. So we also have that considerable severe thunderstorm warning had just now been an issue. So we want to go look at that right now. And it's just shifting to either Texas or enter Oklahoma right now at this time. So right now, the really good news is there's no. Oh, bad, good. Like again, good news. No confirmed tornado warnings. No, and then bad news is there's some conservative severe thunderstorm warnings that has been issued. So this that severe thunderstorm warning that I just looking at it's now been weakening. That is no longer showing a threat of a tornado, which it's not. Which that's really good news. So I can tell you why. So this is showing weakening at this time. It's starting to dissipate. So that's really good news at this time. So right now, so we are now this storm is just now weakening, but it could be cycled again. So we just want to keep watch out for that. So again, it's just moving north of us. Get ready to head to Kansas at this time. So again, we still have that tornado warning that's going on about another 30 minutes, and then we also have this tornado warning that will be going on for about an hour. That will be expiring at 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock will be expiring. So we got tornado warning that will be expiring. This tornado warning will be expiring 15 minutes right now, or it could be canceled at this time. So that's really good news. So at this time, so that's really good news. I'm just really and now I'm a lot going on right now. So not nothing to worry about at this moment. So this, but no, like I said, good news. No tornado warning. No confirmed tornado warning. Actually, tornado warning, but no confirmed. So again, that tornado warning that has been that some parts of the tornado warning has just been canceled. So it's just now been still a tornado warning that will expire in 30 minutes from now. So that's we're looking at 8:45 that will be expiring right now at this moment. So parts of that tornado warning that has been go. So I think so let me go back and look at that tornado warning. So Loveland is still included. Grantsfield is no longer no longer in a threat of it, and then Hollister is out of it. So that leaves us Loveland at this time. So for the next 30 minutes now. So that cuts down to 210 people will be affected. If you're in those areas, you need to be in your safe spots right now at this time. So we have another. We have also a conservative, conservative. Excuse me, considerable. Excuse me. Severe thunderstorm warning that's going on right now. All right, we have another. Considerable threat of severe thunderstorm warning that's going on right now. That will also be expiring at 9 o'clock. So we have another. This also includes over 48,000 people will be affected, including Lawton, Both Gwinnett, Walter, Chimanaho, Temple, and Grandfield, Oklahoma. All will also be included. 26 public schools and education. Over tons of education will be affected. Paging towers and cellular towers will also be included. So please, all these other areas will also be buildings will be affected. So So please get in your shelters. This is a very serious thunderstorm warning. You know, you will be injured if you're caught outside. So please take this action and get into your shelters because this is very, very serious. So that 21 will be also 12 expiring 12 minutes. We got 21 that'll be expiring 40 minutes from now. So again, 9 o'clock for that, and then 8:45 for this will be expired. So that's also so that severe thunderstorm warning. That's because that Conserva still could be produced a 21 warning that will be expiring 20. Severe thunderstorm warning will be expiring 26 minutes. We also had this one that will be expiring 40 minutes. That would not be producing a tornado at this moment. So I want to play this, see what's going on. good news. There's that one tornado warning. Really good news. So, all right, we got no more. We got that tornado warning that was allowed to be canceled. So that's really good news. So I am. We don't have any more tornado warnings at this time. So the good news is there's no. They have. They did. It did. It didn't have any confirmed tornado warnings. So that's really awesome and very good news. We also have a new severe thunderstorm warning. I have a new severe weather statement that has just been issued. We are not included. Berkshire is not included. Tulsa's not included. And Sepulveda's not included. We also have a severe thunderstorm that's Casero, so storms are really ramping up. So in the meantime, let's go back to and show you what my weather station looks like right now. So I want to go back to my dashboard. That's not my dashboard. And it's still showing 76 degrees. So there's still that there's that lightning that has happened. We have 4 lightning strikes total to happen today. So it happened 17 minutes ago. So we still want to watch that. So the barometer pressure is still falling. So guys, I'm going to get off for a moment. All right. So I'm just got a word about severe thunderstorms will be approaching at 4 o'clock. 11 o'clock tonight. So I got about 2 more hours to go on that storm. So I also got a new severe thunderstorm warning still going on right now, but they haven't been showing possible of a tornado yet on these storms. So this storm that was down here that was a tornado that has pretty much weakening, which that's really good news. So I can go back and play that. So that all that storms was allowed to be expired, but it could still cycle. So right now that's really good news at this time. So no tornado warnings at this moment, which those three, except for those threes were allowed to be expired. I don't think it did touch down. I think someone did, but it didn't show it was confirmed. So I want to go back and look at this, what my temperature is doing. So far, it went down a little bit, 76 degrees, 0.3. It was 0.5 earlier. Now the barometer pressure is going up right now, so it's now showing 29.71, which is really good news. The humidity is still up as of this moment. So far, there was no lightning's been detected after 41 minutes ago. Let me refresh that, make sure that is right. Now, yeah, 40. Now it's been 42 minutes ago that we haven't had any more lightning that has been occur because it hasn't made, because it's just moving north east of us. But it's just that storm down here. All right, we got another alert that just happened, that we have another lightning that had stroke. So I just got an alert about. I just got an alert about it. Yeah, there we go. So that was 21 miles out from here. So yeah, maybe some storms that could be heading our way. So it's just because it's up. It's like up here is why we have storms that are my lightning is going up because of that. Because of this part of the storms that's just going off at this time, because it's moving northeast. So for that one storm is shifting. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this. Let's show what it's doing. So there's that rain that we're getting ready to have. It's just getting ready to move to green country. It's now in Chandler. and is now in Chandler right now. So I'm also tracking this storm right here that is just moving northeast of us to us. So the Friday again. Let's go. I want to go. I want to show you what it's doing on Fridays. Severe weather. This is not much going on Friday, so that's really good news at this moment. So like I said, I'm just gonna see how it all plays out. My lightning detector is really going off. So got some storms coming. So I just got another one that hit 3 minutes ago. 6 lightning detectors. It hasn't been that further, so that's still really good news. So I'm not seeing a bad weather at this moment. We have another considerable severe thunderstorm warning that is moving from Texas to Oklahoma. All right, I'm gonna take a break. If there's anything happens, I will. I'm gonna leave the radar image up, and I will go from there. All right, we got a new severe thunderstorm warning that's in parts of Osage, Washington County, and Favarja, Dewey, Branzo, Rowan, Ramona, Ultra, Abbott are in 51,000 people are in severe thunderstorm warning. And that's for the following counties is North Rogers County, Osage County, Washington County, Southern Nowata County. So if you're in these, if you're in the following areas, please get in your interior room. So just a lot of education is affected. 51,000 people are affected. No tornado. This storm's not producing a tornado. So that's really good news. I'll keep an eye on that as well. Storms are moving in quickly, beginning at 11 o'clock tonight. So got time. So there's not a lot going on at this moment. So that's really good news. So 3 more hours to go before that tornado watch will allow it to be expired. So that's really, really good news. So, and then I'm gonna check on my weather station. So now that my blood pressure is just going back up, which that's really good news. So that storm might be producing a tornado.
Wow.
But not a lot going on at this moment. Oh, there we go. The storms has really calmed down, so now the intensity score is now back down. Now really going down a lot more than we uh, anticipated. So that's really good news. That's interesting. Uh, Well, I'm gonna get hop off for a moment. So if there's any bad weather occurring, I'm gonna stay on, make sure anything happens. I'm gonna leave the radar image up. So I'll catch y'all later.